I'm going to compare two incredible platforms for you, CRM Sales Pro and Salesforce. All right, these are two fantastic products. I do have a favorite, and I'll get to why very, very shortly, but let me show you the features on all of them right now. So let's begin with Salesforce, okay? Succeed now with Customer 360. That means that there's so many clients right now that are loving this product, okay? What exactly is Salesforce, okay? It's a fantastic platform that allows you in this uncertain economic environment to have technology that can create value to save you money, okay? The 360 platform actually brings you all your customer data together in one place. Now, they've got so many different products on here, okay? They have everything, the dirty, the service, the marketing, the trade products. They've got the painting, the stuff, the Slack, the platform, okay? So many different products, and to be honest with you, they're all fantastic, but there's a lot of them. You do have to get your head around which ones you need and which ones are going to be best for you. Now, guys, there is a solution for every single problem you would have, especially with CRM here, okay? Browsing their content and grow, you can actually go through all these different articles and find why it is you love them. Now, if you want to get apps and experts' advice to grow your Salesforce tools, you can, okay? You can actually visit their app exchange, which has thousands of apps on there for you to go through, all right? And you can take advantage of a free trial right now. Now, I am very much in favor of Salesforce. I think it's a fantastic place to be. If you go on the top of their website, you can see all the different products they have: the data cloud, commerce, marketing, science cloud, events, table, MuleSoft, Slack, customer domain, platform, net zero, experts and everything. And guys, like I said, you have to get your head around it because it is a lot, but if you need a lot, then you have everything here for you. Now guys, let me just show you right now, CRM Sales Pro. And there's a reason that I wanted to show you this second, because it's my favorite. There's a link down below for a reason. CRM Sales Pro is a lot more user-friendly. It's a lot more efficient in what you need. All right, it's empowering your sales team with CRM Sales Pro. There's lots of happy different customers. Look at this dashboard. Already it puts my mind at ease knowing that this is very simple and easy to use. A hell of a lot of features. Sales Pro has a user-friendly dashboard. It increases productivity and efficiency. And when you go to the features, it has the contact center, all right, which is actually a centralized system that enables businesses to efficiently manage customer interactions through various channels. Invoicing side, which allows businesses to easily create and send invoices. Meetings, okay, the meetings feature is fantastic. It's got the project work tracking. It also has so many different insights, okay? So your business with CRM can be completely insighted. You can manage meetings and team coordination on the move, and the price is ridiculous, okay? Before I even dive into this, you can see already CRM Sales Pro is very, very user-friendly. Now, for $99, all right, you're going to get unlimited users. Let's just say unlimited, because who's going to use 999 users plus? Okay, you can. 999 accounts, 999 contacts, 10 gigabyte storage. When you go up to Salesforce and look at the price, as you can see here in this little article, 25 euros per month, okay? When you're looking at, let's look at the calculator. So 25 euros right now on the Google Translate is $27.49. So let's say $28. So you're going to think, why would I not go for Salesforce? It's got a lot. It's a bit confusing, but it is only $28. Guys, that's $28 a month. Let me say that again, a month. This is $99 one-time fee, and not only that, I'm about to get you an even better deal by giving you a discount code, especially from us at the channel. Because when you press subscribe, I ask you if you want a coupon code. If you put T for top, D for digital, P for products, 20, you're actually going to get an extra 20% discount on this fantastic product, guys. So make sure you get involved right now and get ready to play. You can even play with Stripe, you can pay with PayPal, okay, but hit that link down below and get involved with CRM Sales Pro right now. Let me know what you think. Which was your favorite? Hit it in the comments. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the link down below to get involved with CRM Sales Pro right now, and I'll see you on the next video.